Hi everyone, Vidya here. Welcome back to my channel. Progress in career, finance, health, and relationship. That's what we all want, isn't it? If that is the case, don't forget to watch my video till the end because I am here to give you one effective remedy. This is Shravan month and we worship Lord Shiva. Let's know what's the reason behind worshipping God Shiva during this Shravan month. Number one reason, God Shiva married Goddess Parvati during Shravan month, which is considered as auspicious. And second reason, we all know about Samudra Manthan. During Samudra Manthan, very dangerous poison comes out, which is called as halahal or halahala. That poison was very dangerous and everyone starts thinking what to do with this poison. We can't even throw in water, we can't even throw on earth. Then God Shiva comes and he says, for the benefit of universe, let me drink that poison. And he drinks that poison. His throat becomes bluish and everyone starts worrying, what if something happens to God Shiva? And they start offering milk and water to him. And gradually he starts feeling better. So that Lord who didn't even care about himself, his own life, and sacrificed himself for the betterment of universe, we worship that Lord who is Lord Shiva. That happened during the Shravan month. That is the reason we worship Lord Shiva in Shravan month. And last reason, once what happens, we all know that God Brahma is the creator of this universe and Lord Vishnu, he is the manager who manages this entire show. He listens to everyone's problem and he gives solution. Once what happens, Goddess Lakshmi, she becomes very sad, she becomes very upset and she comes to Lord Shiva and she starts complaining. Lord Shiva, my husband is not giving me enough time. He is all the day 24/7 busy in managing this entire universal show, giving them the best solutions. So I want you to give me some solutions so that I can spend much more quality time with my husband. And Lord Shiva promises her saying that, okay, you have come to me in Shravan month, so I will take care of the entire universe and their problems and I will solve all their problems. Let you and Lord Vishnu, who is your husband, spend great time together. And Lakshmi becomes very happy and she returns back to her husband. That is the reason we worship Lord Shiva. So this is Shravan month and don't miss this opportunity to worship Lord Shiva. How do you do that? If you fast for continuous 16 Mondays, that is fantastic, awesome. If you can't do that, on Monday, visit any Shiva temple and offer him with milk or offer him with water, do meditation and pray from bottom of your heart, whatever your problems, obstacles, and pray him that please release me from all these obstacles. When you come back, you feel so lighter and just see the magic within very short span of time. Hope you like this information, and if you want to receive more such important information, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video and share among all your contacts. Thank you and take care.